So, what if I told you that starting right now, yeah, you, even at age 22, making a totally normal 50, maybe $60,000 salary, you could build a $500,000 net worth by the time you turn 30? Nope, it's not some fantasy, it's a plan. And this is it. $500,000. Let that number sink in for a second. And listen, we're not talking about getting lucky in tech, inheriting a bunch of money, or, gambling on some crazy crypto coin. We're talking about smart, kind of boring, repeatable moves that just compound like crazy over time. This is a real achievable target. Okay, I can almost hear you through the screen. By age 30, a normal salary? No way. How? And that's exactly what we're about to break down. I'm going to show you the exact math, the precise timeline, and the step by step system you can literally just copy and paste from this playbook. So if you're under 30 and you're dreaming about what financial freedom actually feels like, this explainer could seriously change everything for you. So, how are we going to get there? Simple. First, we'll talk about the $500,000 promise so you understand why that's our target. Then, I'm going to let you in on your secret weapon, the incredible power of compounding. After that, we dive into the practical stuff, the four-step wealth system. And then I'll show you how to pour some jet fuel on your progress with a real estate accelerator. And finally, we're going to walk in the most important piece of all, the mindset, because that's what makes this whole thing possible. All right, let's kick it off with section one, the $500,000 promise. Before we get into the how, we really need to get clear on the what and the why. We're about to build a bridge from just dreaming about wealth to the reality of what's possible, even on your current paycheck. Now, check this out because this slide tells a really important story. The average net worth for folks in their early 30s is about $300,000. But the median, that's the number smack dab in the middle, is way, way lower. And that huge gap, that's where our opportunity is. It proves that while most people are kind of just treading water, a small, focused group is playing a totally different game and building serious wealth. Our goal is to get you into that group. So why this number? Why 500 grand? It's because at that level, your life actually fundamentally changes. You're not just surviving anymore. You are genuinely getting free. Your investments alone can start taking off $20,000 or even more every single year in passive income. You've got the capital to take smart risks, to travel, to build something new. I mean, think about what that really means. You can stop trading all of your precious time for money. That is the threshold we're aiming for. That's what freedom looks like. Okay, so if that's our target, how in the world do we actually get there? Well, that brings us to section two. This is your secret weapon. It's called compounding. And I want you to forget everything you think you know about just saving money. We're about to look at the magic math of building real wealth. Compounding is the closest thing to actual magic you will ever find in the world of finance. It's really simple. It's the process where your investment earnings start to generate their own earnings. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. Your money makes money, and then the money your money made starts making its own money. This is the engine that's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. All right, let's prove it with some real math. Let's say you start at age 22 with absolutely nothing invested. You manage to save and invest 800 bucks a month, which, yeah, it's aggressive, but it is totally doable. We'll just assume a 10% average annual return. And by the way, that's the historical average of the S&P 500 over decades, including every crash and recession. By age 30, you'd have around $160,000. And right now you're probably thinking, wait a minute, that's impressive, but that's not 500,000. And you're 100% right. This is just the engine. We haven't added the fuel yet. So how do we close that gap? How do we get from 160,000 all the way up to our $500,000 goal? This is where the accelerators come in. Number one, salary growth. We're talking about making smart, strategic moves like negotiating those yearly raises and making a job hop every few years to push your income and your investment contributions higher and higher every year. And number two, the real game changer, building real estate equity. These two things, these are the fuel for our fire. And this timeline, this just shows the power of it all. Let's walk through this. At 22, you're starting from scratch. Maybe you end the year with 10 grand. By 24, after 2 years of consistent investing and buying that first starter home, you could hit 85,000 in net worth. I mean, look at that jump. Then just 2 years later at 26, you blow past $200,000. The momentum is building. That snowball is getting huge. By 28, you're at 350. And then at age 30, you smash through that $500,000 goal. That is the power of combining investment growth with the forced savings and appreciation you get from real estate. It's incredible. We're about to get into the real nuts and bolts of the system. But hey, if you're already finding this valuable, taking just a second to like and subscribe really helps the channel grow. Also, quick note, I put some resources for you down in the description. If you're thinking about buying or selling, I can connect you with a top agent in your area, or if you need a life insurance, my team and I can help you anywhere nationwide. Okay, let's get back to the blueprint. All right, so we've seen the destination and we know the forces that'll get us there. Now it's time for the mechanics. Welcome to section 3, the 4-step wealth system. This is your actionable blueprint. The system is built on 4 core pillars. Number 1, maximize your income and budget ruthlessly. Number 2, destroy any high interest debt. Get rid of it. Number 3, invest like a pro, but keep it simple. And number 4, utilize real estate as a massive wealth multiplier. Each step builds on the last one, creating this incredibly powerful financial foundation. So let's zoom in on step 3, invest like a pro, because how you invest your money matters a lot. Here's the priority list. First, if your job offers a 401k with an employer match, you contribute just enough to get that full match. This is non-negotiable. It is literally free money, an instant return on your cash. Do not leave it on the table. Second, you max out a tax-advantaged account like a Roth IRA or a health savings account, an HSA. These let your money grow completely tax-free. Then finally, any money you have left over goes into a standard taxable brokerage account. So what do you actually buy in these accounts? This is where so many people get paralyzed, but you're going to keep it incredibly simple. You put 80 to 100% of your money into a single, low-cost, broad market index fund. An index fund is just a big basket of stocks that automatically tracks something like the entire US stock market. Think of tickers like VTI or VOO. The key here is to automate it, forget about it, and let the market do all the hard work. This simple strategy is what has historically given us that 10% average return we need. And now for the part that really pours gasoline on the fire. Section 4, the real estate accelerator. This is how owning property can fuel your net worth in a way that just investing in the stock market alone can't. Let's talk about a powerful strategy called house hacking. The concept is pretty simple, but it takes some grit. You buy the cheapest, decent house you can find in a good area. Then you rent out the spare rooms to roommates. Their rent money covers most or maybe even all of your mortgage. This does 2 incredible things. First, it slashes your biggest living expense, freeing up hundreds or thousands of dollars a month to invest. And second, it gets you on the property ladder where you benefit from appreciation and forced savings as that loan gets paid down every single month. It's an absolute cheat code for your net worth. Okay, we've covered the math, we've covered the strategy, but you know what? None of it works without this final piece. Section 5, mindset. This is your biggest edge. This is the psychology of building wealth. So let's break down the winning behaviors versus the ones that destroy wealth. You absolutely do automate everything. Your savings, your investments, just set it and forget it. Review your progress, maybe quarterly, not daily, and you celebrate the milestones along the way. What you don't do is chase fads. You don't panic sell when the market dips. In fact, that's when you should be buying more. And most importantly, you have to resist lifestyle creep. When you get a raise, that extra cash doesn't go to a bigger apartment or a fancier car. It goes straight to your investments. I really want this to sink in because it is the most important takeaway from this whole thing. You don't need to be special. You need to be consistent. This plan isn't about being a genius or getting lucky. It is about executing a simple, proven system with relentless consistency, day in and day out. It's about discipline, not about genius. So there you have it. The math, the timeline, the 4-step system, the accelerators, and the mindset. The entire plan is set. The path is clear. The only question left is, what is your first move? You know, the version of you at age 30 with a $500,000 net worth, they're just waiting for you to start. All it takes is that first move today. If this explainer gave you a clear path forward, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps a ton. And remember, those resources for real estate and insurance are waiting for you in the description. You got this. Now go build it.